I'm here with a new D.I.Y. Hi, welcome back to my channel, and we are making a wooden nameplate today. For that we need a flat piece of wood. We will be needing 2 bamboo pieces, and with that we need PU polish and paintbrush. Once, to give a complete look to this nameplate and write things on it, we need ceramic powder, fevicol, turpentine, empty mending cones, and there are little things which are also mentioned in the list. You can definitely pause. First we will apply PU polish on the clean wooden piece. Before applying, please add turpentine and PU polish together. The quantity should be, if you are taking 1 cup of PU polish, then take 1.5 cup of turpentine. It is important to add these two things together because it will, if you do not add this turpentine, it will keep your paint or PU polish sticky. I have applied the same PU polish and turpentine mixture on the bamboo pieces as well. Once you're done applying PU polish, then please let it dry for few hours. Then we'll use fevicol and make a paste of ceramic powder. Fill this paste into empty mehendi cones and secure them at the other end using a rubber band. Here I have used pencil and scale for marking the center of the plank so that I can write down the alphabets on the plank, and accordingly we can draw the outline of the alphabets using the mehendi cone. Once you are done drawing the outline of the alphabets, it will somehow look like this. Here I have shown you that how I have made these alphabets and how I wrote it on the plank, and it is just not filled and they are just outlined. I have used a thicker cone to fill the gaps. Please let it dry for half an hour or 45 minutes. You can use nail polish or acrylic colors or metallic poster colors or some thick wooden colors also to apply on the nameplate. Once the whole color dried off, I took 2 bamboo pieces and I colored them as well, and then I just tied them with a small thin rope, as you can see in the picture right now. Thank you for watching this video. Please give it a big fat thumbs up if you have liked it. Please do not forget to try it at home. I'll see you soon shortly on the other end once I'm done with the other video. Thanks. Bye bye. Take care.